Writers at Work actually helped me pull up my English grades by a lot, especially in my composition. Hello, I'm Cheng Jun from Raffles Institution. I've been here at Writers at Work for about a year already. The most unforgettable Writers at Work class is the class that we did, the story Zumba Grandma. I feel that Zumba Grandma is a very funny and comical story. It involves a grandma striking weird poses while doing Zumba online due to unstable internet connection. I feel that this is something that we can all relate to during the COVID times, as the elders do not really know how to use new technology in the advancing world, and till today, we still struggle to use these new devices during the new normal. In conclusion, I feel that Zumba Grandma is a very unforgettable story that I can always relate to. Like the grandma struggling to adapt to the COVID situation, we are also struggling to adapt to the new normal, and that's why I feel that we can all relate to this story. My favorite Writers at Work sentence is most probably, summoning the remaining vestiges of strength, I pulled myself up and let out a guttural roar from the Ladura. It showcases the determination and perseverance the writer put in during physically challenging times. I feel that the most difficult aspect of writing an English composition is to come out with a brand new story based on the surprise topic and pictures given to you on that day. Thankfully, Writers at Work helps you master and teaches you how to manipulate these stories to fit into the topics and pictures accordingly. I think it's very important to score well in English, besides the obvious benefit of getting good grades and having a higher chance to get into the school of your choice. By reaching a level of proficiency, you can also think and communicate both clearly and precisely. Thus, it's very important to get good grades in English. When you memorize the techniques that your teacher has taught you, don't just memorize them blindly. Understanding them helps you remember these techniques easily, and you know what's going on when you apply these techniques. Secondly, you should start revising now instead of later. By revising regularly, you can store all this knowledge into your long-term memory instead of just studying these techniques 1 month before PSLE. That way, you can record your techniques more easily during PSLE and you won't stress out.